How to set up a self-service portal in Freshdesk. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a self-service portal in Freshdesk. So to get started, go ahead and open Freshdesk into your preferred browser, sign in to your account, and then go ahead and click on this gear icon at the bottom left of your screen to head over to the admin settings. Head over into the channels tab from here. And then under the channels tab, you'll be able to find portals. So click on this channels tab in between team and workflows, and then click on portals from here. So enable your default portal or create a new one if you haven't. So that will take you into this section. And then once you're in here, you can go ahead and create a new portal if you don't have one yet. Click on this customize portal button, and then that will take you into this section. So in here, you need to go ahead and upload the logo of your company that you want to use for your portal. You need to go ahead and select the brand color of your company as well. So once you click on this upload a logo, you'll get redirected to your local drive. And then in here, go ahead and set this portal name and then click on save and next. And then in here, go ahead and set the knowledge base of this portal. So you can go ahead and add more info in here and then click on save and next. So after that, in here, you can go ahead and add the ticket forms that they can actually submit on your portal, and then click on save and next. And then that's it. Your portal is now set up and live. So you can visit your portal with the provided link of Freshdesk, which you can actually access on a new tab. And that is how you can basically set up a self-service portal in Freshdesk. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.